In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not working. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you watch it until the end, and let's jump right into it. Now, the main reason that ChatGPT is not working is that there are too many people trying to open up the website. Now, if you cannot log into your ChatGPT directly typing in openai.com, there is another thing that you can try out, which is instead of doing that, you can type in chat.openai.com and it's going to take you to this interface where you can now easily click on login and then log into your account. If this also does not work, the second thing that you can do is you can try to clear your browsing data. So click on the three dots on the top right of the screen and then head over to history. From the history tab, you'll simply click on clear browsing history. Now under basic, make sure that cookies and other site data is selected. And you can also select the time range. At least 24 hours must be selected, and then you can now click on clear data. What this does is it's going to clear all of the cookies and the data that has been stored in different kinds of websites. After you do a couple of these steps, you should be able to easily fix and solve your issues facing with ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today, and I'll be back with more.